Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to explain to you the most accurate price action strategy to ever use on your trading each and every day. On this video you will learn the following: how to get your entry conferences, how to use candlesticks patterns on your trading, thirdly how to press a logical stop loss so as to avoid holding out your losses for a long period of time in hope of price returning back to your direction. Which according to my own experience, the price more often than not does not ever come back, or at least anytime sooner. Fourthly and lastly, you also get to learn how to calculate your take profit targets. This I believe will help you to avoid cutting out your winner trade so early only to find later that the trade went all the way in your predicted direction, and trust me, nothing hurts more than this. Having said that, before I go any further, let it be known first to you that I do offer a monthly one-to-one mentorship program through Zoom meeting app, and also a signal group for those that want to build up their trading accounts. Hello friends, welcome once again to Forex Clubhouse. So today's pair that we'll be doing analysis with is Step Index. Step Index is one of my favorite synthetic indices as it obeys price action more often than not. As usual, before starting out any trade, we must first know the current trend of the markets. Why is that so? It's just simply because it is after knowing the trend that's when we are going to conclude our trading bias. And what's that? It's simple. If the market goes down, look for sells. If the market is going up, look for buys. If the market is just consolidating within the same range of prices, then guess what? You just stay out of that pair and go do anything else. Maybe you go just to the gym. So by looking closely at my charts, I noticed that the trend is going to the downside. Hence, as said earlier before, when the market is trending to the downside, we are to look for sell entries only. But one intelligent guy behind the screen may ask a question as why should we look for sells whereas the market is currently is on an upside momentum? And the answer becomes so simple, and so it goes. Unless the previous low high of the downtrend is broken, then I say that the trend is still to the downside. Hence the rule remains the same, and that is downtrend market is equal to sells. That's it. So having noticed that the price failed to break the previous low high, then let me zoom in just a little bit more to get that extra information from the charts, because the market speaks to us through the charts.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
And by zooming in, I see an even more perfect entry conference, that is to say a candlestick pattern. So can you please take this time and answer in the comment section what is that candlestick pattern that I believe to be visible on the screen right now? Well, to save up some time, what I see is a doji candlestick pattern, although it is not some picture perfect one as the one that you usually see on your books, but it is a doji candlestick, and with experience you'll get a lot of these candlesticks on the screen that are not picture perfect, but with experience will just be okay. Some with even more clear eyes may even add that the doji is within the evening star, and guess what? It is. So having noticed that, what's next is to define your risk. It is very important before you enter into any trade, you have to define your risk. And this risk should be at the numbers that you will be comfortable with losing in case the market just does not go on your predicted way. Sometimes the market can just go on its way, and guess what? The market is always right. So it is always important to define your risk first before entering into any trade. And if I may add, I never risk more than 5% of my trading capital, and my take profits are just within at least 10% or 15%. That's it. And it is this way, to be honest, that I'm always be able to stay profitable in the long run. Having said that, let me enter my trades ASAP. Ladies and gentlemen, please take this time and see how this trade will play out over time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video from the very start to the end. You are truly hungry for success, and that it is so much good. Take it from me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.